Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope all is well with you and your family. Today I'm doing another update in my living room featuring these two beautiful green chairs that I purchased from Amazon. They are super glam. I know I said this video was going to be a fall decor video, but I've been wanting to see what these two green chairs would look like in the living room for a little while now. So fall decor is gonna have to wait for a little bit longer. Yeah, I know I like to play around with my furniture and decor items, so I'm gonna give you guys a full new look. This end table is from Macy's Backstage. I didn't like my coffee table with this look, so I'm bringing in this table that I purchased from Wayfair. You guys have seen it as well. The two jars and the spheres are from the gallery. Cute leaf tray is from Tuesday Morning. And of course some super glam coasters, they are from Home Goods. You can see the little green on them that goes with the accent chairs. On the end table, I'm going to have this marble piece from Home Sense. My cute Coco Chanel book from Amazon, I like it. I think it is super cute on any table. And on top, I'm gonna have my super glam candles from the dollar store. Now these candles are only placed like that for sure. If you're going to do something like that at your house, please place something else under them to prevent fire. Next, I'm adding a cute vase from Burlington and some flowers from Hobby Lobby or Joann. I don't remember which one. The crystal bottle is from the gallery. Yeah, no, these are my Holy Grail pillows. They are from the gallery. You have seen them everywhere. Living room, bedroom, dining room, bathroom, name it. You have seen them there. I'm just kidding. This is what I call investment decor items. You will get a good use out of them. I'm going to be using the plain white side of this pillow. Next pillow is this small glam one from Home Goods or Home Sense. Followed by these two beautiful pillows. They are from Century 21. These accent pillows have the green to go with the chairs. Push this end table on the side of the sofa. I'm gonna add a glam gold box from Burlington. Same clutch and glam balls from my last video. For those of you who don't know, the balls from Burlington and the clutch from the gallery. I'm gonna bring in a green flower vase from Home Goods and the flowers from Hobby Lobby. On the other side, I'm gonna bring in a wall art with some green with two mirrors, one on each side. Now let's see what everything looks like together. channel. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. My name is Dalou. We are all about creating beautiful, glam, and happy home. If you are into these things, please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. My fellow Glam Squad, y'all know y'all the best. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Please check me out on Instagram and Facebook, TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. And please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend and or a family member. For those of you who may not know, the beautiful rug and the sofa are from Amazon. Link for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be at the bottom of the description box. Guys, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this look. Do you like the green accent chairs or you don't like them? Which living room setup is your favorite? This one or the other one? Link for this video will be in the description box just in case if you would like to check it out. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Please make sure you hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Thank you to all of you for stopping by. Love always. Bye-bye. Mwah.